Today we're about to explore a life less ordinary, a life that sings the praises of opulence, grandeur, and exclusivity. A life that's not just existing but living every moment in sheer indulgence and extravagance. So, come with us as we pull back the curtain on a world where luxury is the norm, not the exception. A world where experiences are measured not by their cost, but by their richness and the indelible imprint they leave on you. This is not just about wealth, it's about the lifestyle that wealth affords, a lifestyle that is as intoxicating as it is elusive. Let's embark on a captivating journey, a voyage into the world of the wealthy, where every moment is a testament to the grandeur of living. It's the freedom to explore the world on your own terms. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a journey like no other. The world is waiting for you, and it's time to explore it in style. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's sail into the next chapter of wealthy living, the oceanic extravagance of Yacht Adventures. Picture this. The sun kisses your skin as you lounge on the deck of your private yacht. There's nothing but the open sea around you, its vastness only matched by the luxury you're immersed in. This isn't just a vessel, it's a floating palace tailored to your every whim and desire. Imagine feeling the thrill of deep-sea fishing, the adrenaline rush as you reel in a marlin, or the calm serenity that envelops you as you watch the sunset paint the sky with hues of red and gold. And the adventure doesn't stop at sea. With your own yacht, you can explore private islands, untouched by the common crowd. It's an exclusivity that only a select few can experience. A world of opulence that goes beyond the shore, into the heart of the ocean itself. Yacht Adventures truly embody the phrase, making waves in style. Next, we step onto the lush greens of prestige, golf and country clubs. These establishments are not just about the game. They are institutions of social status, symbols of one's standing in society. They are places where the affluent come to play, but also to socialize, network, and unwind. Imagine this. The soft whisper of the wind through the trees, the satisfying thud of a well-struck golf ball, and the camaraderie of like-minded individuals. The privilege of membership at these exclusive clubs offers more than just access to world-class golf courses. It's an entry ticket to a leisurely pace of life, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of the everyday world. It's here, amidst the manicured lawns and luxurious clubhouses, that business deals are made, friendships are forged, and a sense of community is nurtured. These are places where the wealthy not just play, but also live, breathe, and belong. Golf and country clubs, a symbol of prestige and camaraderie in the wealthy lifestyle. Now, let's walk into the glamorous realm of a designer wardrobe. There's an undeniable allure to high-fashion pieces. The sheer luxury of owning garments designed and crafted by the world's top fashion houses is an experience that goes beyond simple adornment. Dripping in designer wear is like adorning yourself with a tangible testament of your success, a visual representation of your refined taste and a symbol of your elevated lifestyle. Imagine the thrill of personalized fittings where each stitch, each seam, each cut is tailored to your body, your style, your personality. It's not just clothing, it's an art form that you wear, an art form that you live. And it's not just about owning these pieces, it's about the journey from the runway to the fitting room to your personal collection. Then there's the access to the latest collections. Being privy to exclusive releases before they hit the mainstream market is like having your own key to a secret world of elegance. It's about being a part of an exclusive club that knows the future of fashion today. It's about setting trends rather than following them. And let's not forget the confidence that a designer wardrobe instills. There's a unique swagger, a distinct strut that comes with wearing designer pieces. It's the confidence of knowing that you're wearing a piece of art, crafted by masters of the fashion world. The confidence of knowing that when you walk into a room, you're not just noticed, you're remembered. But a designer wardrobe is more than just the clothes on your back. It's a lifestyle. It's an extension of who you are, and a reflection of your journey. It's a statement that you've arrived, and you're here to stay. And for those moments when you want to let your wardrobe do the talking, remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about living the life you've always dreamt of and doing it in style. A designer wardrobe where style meets status. Next, we enter the world of supreme comfort, luxury accommodations. Imagine stepping into a realm where opulence is the norm, and every corner exudes an aura of sophistication. Welcome to the world of luxury homes and apartments, where the ordinary is transformed into extraordinary. These are places where architecture meets artistry, creating living spaces that defy convention and redefine elegance. Each room is meticulously designed with an eye for detail that would make even the most discerning aesthete nod in approval. From the plush carpets under your feet to the high ceilings above, every inch is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and high-quality materials. But luxury isn't just about aesthetics. It's the comfort that comes from top-notch amenities. Imagine a private home theater for those movie nights, a state-of-the-art gym for your fitness needs, or a fully equipped gourmet kitchen for your culinary adventures. These amenities are not just about convenience, they're about enhancing your lifestyle, providing a level of ease and pleasure that you've always aspired to. Now let's talk about location. Luxury homes and apartments are often nestled in elite neighborhoods, providing an aura of exclusivity and security. These are places where tranquility meets affluence, where you can enjoy the peace of a gated community while being just a stone's throw away from the city's vibrant life. But the true charm of luxury accommodations lies in personalized services. Imagine having a dedicated concierge at your disposal, ready to cater to your every whim. From arranging private jet charters to securing reservations at the city's hottest restaurants, these services go above and beyond to ensure that your needs are not just met, but exceeded. In the realm of luxury accommodations, every day feels like a holiday. It's a world where comfort meets style, where convenience is a given, and where life is lived on your own terms. Luxury accommodations, where every day is a staycation. Now we explore the elite world of exclusive memberships. Imagine the privilege of having access to the world's most exclusive clubs, events, and services. These memberships aren't just exclusivity, they are status symbols, representing a certain level of achievement and affluence. They're like golden keys, unlocking doors to opportunities that are otherwise inaccessible to the average person. From private clubs in metropolitan cities to prestigious events on a global scale, these memberships offer unparalleled experiences. They are not just about the luxury and comfort they provide, but also the unique, high-profile networking opportunities they present. Rubbing shoulders with the who's who of the society, making connections that could potentially change your life's trajectory, that's the power of an exclusive membership. It's an open secret that, in the realm of the wealthy, your network is your net worth. Hence, exclusive memberships are more than just about prestige, they're about expanding your horizons. Exclusive memberships, your key to an elite world. Let's delve into the rejuvenating elixir of spa and wellness treatments. In the fast-paced world of wealth and luxury, it's essential to take a moment to breathe, to rejuvenate, and to restore. High-end spa visits are an integral part of this lifestyle, offering a sanctuary to relax and recharge. Imagine immersing yourself in a personalized wellness plan, designed to cater to your unique needs. It's not merely a luxury, but a necessity, a way to connect with your inner self amidst the whirlwind of extravagance. These treatments serve to balance the hectic rhythm of the wealthy lifestyle. From therapeutic massages to revitalizing facials, the options are endless. But the ultimate goal remains the same: to provide a holistic approach to health and wellness. It's about nurturing the body, soothing the mind, and feeding the soul. Spa and wellness treatments, the secret sauce to a balanced and healthy wealthy lifestyle.